Welcome to Astrology Innovation. Today, I want to talk about a very important topic because I mentioned this in many of my other videos. So it's something really important to me and that I use a lot in my astrology practice because I feel that there are these 4 points in astrology that are the most powerful ones discovered until today for me. So I'm going to talk about galactic astrology and these 4 points. Okay, so here are the 4 most powerful cosmic points discovered until today. Uh, well, for my taste, they are the most powerful ones, and I want to explain a little bit about it. So, as you probably know, the whole solar system orbits mainly around the sun. So here we can see the sun, and after that, the sun orbits the center of our galaxy, which is a supermassive black hole called the Galactic Center, also Sagittarius A. Mm, And this supermassive black hole is so massive and so powerful that has sufficient gravitational force uh, to keep the whole galaxy orbiting how it's supposed to. So after the galactic center, um, oh, also before we go to the next one, since we're talking about astrology as well, it's very interesting and very powerful how we can locate the degree points of each of these points within the zodiac wheel. So in the tropical zodiac, I might do another video for the sidereal zodiac as well soon. But right now we're gonna see the tropical zodiac positions. So here we see the galactic center is at 27 degrees and 10 minutes of Sagittarius. This is 2022 placements. Today in 2024, it's just like 1 minute maybe um, of difference, not much difference, but the shift is because of the precession of the equinoxes. Okay, but now we have the galactic center at 27 Sagittarius, and we know that it's the center of our galaxy and keeps the whole galaxy together where it's supposed to be orbiting. And then after that very powerful point, there's the super galactic center, which is an even a much more massive, uh, supermassive black hole, uh, which is so powerful that more than 30, I heard once, maybe even more than 50 galaxies orbit around it. Um, so, yeah, it's very, very powerful point, and it's located, if we look at the zodiac wheel, it's located at 2 degrees of Libra, 18 minutes. Again, as I said, as of 2022. Then we have the Great Attractor, which we don't know if it's also a black hole but it's a very, very powerful point. Uh, and it uh, its massive gravitational force also pulls more than 100,000 galaxies. So it's very powerful. And now, if you want to locate it in your chart, it's at 14 degrees, 15 minutes Sagittarius. And then finally, we have the Shapley attractor, which is the most powerful of these 4 because it's massive gravitational force as well pulls hundreds of thousands of galaxies towards it. So this is why, for me, these are the most powerful cosmic points discovered until today. And also there are some similar things between them. Oh, also, Shapley is at 2 degrees, 40 minutes of Scorpio, if you want to locate it in your chart. So all of these points, each of them have different specific qualities and themes that are unique to each of them. But also there are some similarities, which are the ones I want to talk briefly about in this video. In terms of interpretation for astrology. So one of the general themes is cosmic wisdom. So all of these points are related to cosmic wisdom, higher wisdom that can be downloaded from these points as well. If there are conjunctions or other types of transits, we can download, well, it's easier to download. We can always connect to these points and download this cosmic wisdom, but especially when there are transits, um, it's a even greater opportunity. And also because of what I mentioned, that they all have a very massive and powerful gravitational force. They are very magnetic. So they are also very powerful for manifestation. So if you want to manifest something, especially if it's um, more collective, because these points are also very collective because they impact everyone, everything, but not even just on Earth. Of hundreds of thousands of galaxies are impacted by these points. So it, it's very interesting, very powerful. And yeah, and we, if especially if you connect to higher wisdom and from that place, trying to do something that serves the greater good, the manifestations are even more powerful and you have more support from these points. Um, Also, they are very, very, very expansive in many different ways, but one of those is that uh, everything is much more pronounced with these points. So if you feel a little bit not that good, this can amplify that. But also, if you feel a little bit good, you can feel amazing because it's also amplified very powerfully with these points. So these are some of the most important things I think uh, that I wanted to cover here. I hope that it was very helpful. And also, as I mentioned in the at the beginning of the video, there's a lot of my work uses these points. That's why I'm making this video. So there's more information about them in different videos. Um, Especially if you're watching this in 2024, the end of 2024, maybe you're still on time to some very, very powerful things that are happening. I have other videos. I'll place the link on the description so you can watch it if you're interested. But there's some manifestation portals opening because of this galactic astrology and other synchronicities happening with Mayan astrology. So if you enjoyed this video and want to know more about the galactic points, galactic astrology, and many other uh, integrations of astrology systems and many interesting innovations related to astrology, uh, you can subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, you can give it a like. Also, let me know what you thought. If you have any conjunctions or anything interesting experiences with these points. Also, you can visit my website and you can book an astrological consultation with me if you're interested. If you want to go deeper with these points or any other area that I'm able to assist. And thank you so much for being here. Also, I'm really soon going to release, if I haven't already, a video, like some of my research with these points, including the powerful manifestations that Walt Disney was able to uh, manifest and how that relates to these points. So stay tuned, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day or evening. Thank you.